Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. Hope you all are doing well. I've got a matching set of Kenworth T800 glider kit Daycabs. One's a 15, one's a 16, pre-emission 12.7 Detroits, 10 speeds. Both got matching dual stacks, breathers, sitting side by side. You can't really tell the difference in the two. Both extremely nice trucks. Came out of the south, so there's no rust. I've gotten them hot, so you'll see blow by. Hop inside, show the interiors and the oil pressure as well. Let's go ahead and get started. If you need which is very hard to get, I think, a matching set of glider kit Daycabs in good shape. This is it. If you need just one, that's okay too. We'll separate them. Really well taken care of. You can see both of them are exactly the same. Both have sliders, all aluminum wheels, good match virgin rubber. Both have been overhauled. This one here a little bit more recent. Both the blow-by is really good on. The extended cabs make them pretty desirable for most folks. This gives you just enough extra room. VIT interiors, extended cab. Oil pressure is fantastic. Super smooth through the RPMs, really nice trucks. We're going to show you the inside on this other one and we'll wrap it up. Good wheelbase. And the look, we call it, the stainless cans and dual stacks. Setback tanks are pretty good look. This one the same, fantastic through the RPMs, great oil pressure. Really nice to have these trucks. If you got questions on them or need anything additional on any other trucks, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.